Hi friends, glad to welcome you to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can hide followers in Instagram app. Please friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and write comments after watching the video. And let's get to our topic. And to begin with, of course, open the Instagram application as I have already done. Next, you'll need to go to your page. And then at the top on the right-hand side, click on the three bars and settings. Here in settings, you will need to find one option called account privacy. When you go to it, there's one simple thing you need to do, and that is to switch to a private account. To do that, you'll need to click on this button here, and then you just need to confirm the action. If you can't do that or you can't find that setting, you on Instagram, then the problem will be that you have a professional account. First of all, friends, you'll need to switch also in the settings. To personal account. To do that, find this option here. Then switch account view. And here you'll need to choose to switch to personal account. Once you do this, you can easily go in and make your account more private. And after these actions, no one will be able to see the number of your Instagram followers and subscriptions, naturally only except for the people who are already following you. This is how, friends, you will be able to hide subscribers in the Instagram app. I really hope this video helped you and was helpful to you. Please put your likes, write comments, and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.